Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to do another lab on how to scan your devices, or I'm simply going to find out the vulnerabilities in a system using the Qualys scanner. And as you have seen, I've already created my Qualys account, which is here, and this is our virtual machine, the virtual Windows machine that we are going to be scanning for vulnerabilities. And here's the Qualys that is still being loaded. The thing is, I will show you step by step on how to do things. The only thing I'll not show you is to install the Windows, and you can easily do it by downloading an ISO file of Windows, and you just have to follow the instructions on and move with the default things, and it will open up. You have already had an experience of setting up Windows, so I won't take that much of a time on that. So let's go again, and we will go to the here, and we simply have to go to the scans here, and then applications, then we will click on the new option, and then virtual scanner, then we will click on the start wizard, and then we have to provide the name of the scanner that let's use a name. What should I give it? Maybe I'll simply use Windows scanner. Okay, then we'll choose the platform, that is VMware for sure, and then we'll click on next. Okay, I will simply click on Windows, and that I will do next. And here's the machine that will automatically start. You can download it, and then we will simply have to press next. Here is our personalization code, and I simply copy it, which we are going to use in our Qualys. The Qualys has already opened, and we will simply click enter. Then the personalized scanner, we will control the code. Since I can't do it, I will put in the code manually. Let me do it. And it will automatically connect to the machine. Let's wait for it to connect. So after completing the installation, a window like this will show on your Qualys, and let's move to the Windows. Now that we are Windows, we will simply go to our control panel. I don't know why it's taking so long, but then we'll move to the network, and my bad, we will go to the network and sharing center. After that, we are going to Ethernet. Oh my god. And then we'll go to the properties. After coming down, you will see Internet Protocol version 4, and then we'll check the properties, and then we will assign a static IP that is, let's see, mm, I don't know what IP it has right now, but let's it be 192.168.1 168.1, and then let it assign 130, I guess. Then we will go for the subnet mask. It has autofill, and then we will go for 192.160.1, and then we will go for 1 as the default gateway, and we will click on OK. Then we will close it. Along with that, we need to do one more thing, that is we will go to the settings, and we will go to the network adapter, and we will go to the base adapter, and we will set OK. Now let's check if it's being accessible from the other tabs or not. So we will simply so guys, as you can see, for further Qualys scan, we need to disable the firewall, and to disable the firewall we need to simply open the PowerShell as an administrator, and we have to type this command which will disable the firewall. You will also get a notification saying turn on the firewall, but you simply have to cross it because you need the firewall to be off while you do the Qualys scan. You can also do a ping from your laptop to check whether it's working or not. So let's move to the Qualys site, and we will continue from there. After my scene finishes starting, we simply have to come to Asset tab. Here you can find it, and then you have to go to the new IP. We are going to assign the IPs that we can scan through it, and we will go to the subscription IPs, and we will simply write our IPs that we need to scan. So 192.168.1.130, you can simply leave it be, so it will scale on this IP, or you can provide a range of IP like 192.168.1. Let's say 140. You can do this, or you can, if you want to simply assign a single IPs, you can also do like first assign the IP, then use a comma, and then you will assign the next IPs. Now that we have done it, we will simply click on add, and it will start to appear here. See, this is here, and from here we can start the scan, but before that we need to do few more things. Let's move to our VM. So from here we need to do few things more, and we will go to the service, I guess, and as it opens we need to find a remote registry, and we will have to check whether it's automatic or not. If it's set to automatic, we don't need to fear anything, but if it's not automatic, we will change it. And here we are. So let's search for a remote registry. There it is, and double click to open it. We will simply set it to automatic, and we will apply, then okay. And the same will go for the server. Where it is, there. We simply double click on the server and it's already automatic, so we don't need to make any changes. And then we will turn it off. Let's go to advanced theory. Let me check. Since it's not one more thing, that is we need to change user setting. It's not that much. If you don't change, there won't be a problem. It's just that you need to change it to never notify, that it will not notify us about anything that's going to happen. Otherwise a lot of things will be keep on popping. So simply do and click OK and simply click on yes. After this we are going to the Windows registry, and we will go to the, let's see, first we need to go to the registry data. We will go to the local machines. I think I'm already, so we need to go to the software, so I guess I will come to here. Let's expand it, and so run this guy. We need to go to the machine, then software, and in software we need to go to Microsoft. That should be, that is, and in the Microsoft we need to go to Windows. So we'll head over to the Windows, and here we need to go to current version. After current version we need to go to the policies, and from policies we need to go to the system, and here we need to add a new value. We will click on new, and then we will go to DW word 32-bit, and we will set the value to 1, I guess. Oh, my bad. We need to change the name to local account token filter policy. Let me write it and show you. There should be one, but let me try. Now we have to write a local, then count token filter policy, and then we will click on enter. You can see it here. It's the local account policy. Alright guys, now that we are here, we will go to the scan and then authentication. Here We will go to the new operating system Windows, and we'll provide the title. Let's provide it Windows. Then we'll provide the login credentials. There's also a basic scan which you can do, but I'm simply going for other credentials, and I will use it anyways. Admin, and then I'll have to type my password. Let me retype it. And same goes for here. Now that we have typed the password, we will go for the authentication protocols. That is going to be all three of them. Now that we have selected all three, we will simply save this. Then we will go to the IPs. That's why the error was showing, and we simply had to type the IP of the device. Oh, my bad. 192.168.1.130. That's our device IP. Now that we have done it, we can save it now. Title. Let me type Windows 11 credentials. Okay, let's see if it saves now. It's still not saving it. I don't know why. Domain name must be used in the field provided. Okay, let me check. Oh, my bad. We will simply go for the local. That was the mistake I was doing. And now I can save, I guess. Now that it's been saved, we will go to do other things. We will go to the option profile, and then we will go for the new. Let's provide a new title. Let's say deep scan, I guess. Scan, and we'll go to the scan, and on the scan profile, I need to do few more things. Oh, it's already have Windows, but I will remove this. Qualys. Okay. We will go for a network scan as well. You can say we are definitely going only with the default setting without anything else. And we simply have to click on the save. It will take a few time and it has saved it. So we will go to the scans and we will click on new scan. We'll provide with the title Windows 11 for scan. Then we will change the profile to this. Okay. We'll check the priority to 0 and then the application to the Windows. Inside group, we don't need to add it to any group, and then we need to provide the IP 192.168.1.130. That's it. And I think that's it. We can launch, I guess. Now that it's queued, it will scan the profile, and after the scanning is done, it will show up the information here. So we'll see you after the. Now that the scan has been finished, I simply click on the proceed and we can see the risk and everything else. This also provides the vulnerabilities along with the impact of it. That's 2 out of 5. And there are more potential vulnerabilities, same for NetBIOS, I guess. And there are other informations. They have also mentioned exploitability and everything else, so you don't have to worry about it. And anything else? No, I think that's all. Well, they also provide you with the CV, but I don't think there was any CV included since I'm already running the latest version of the Windows, along with everything has been updated to its latest version. So that's it. And you can see the report. And that's all. Thank you.